I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy red lentil soup with North African spices, only way. Start by rinsing 2 cups red lentils until water runs clearer, then chop 1 onion, 2 carrots, and mince garlic and ginger. Heat oil, toast 2 teaspoons ras el hanout and 1 teaspoon ground cumin briefly, then add aromatics and lentils, stir to coat. Pour 6 cups broth, simmer until tender, and season to taste. Use bold spices so they enhance, not overpower. Start with 2 teaspoons ras el hanout, 1 teaspoon cumin, and 1/2 teaspoons smoked paprika, adjusting by taste. Bloom spices in oil for about 30 seconds before adding onions and garlic so flavors open. Add a pinch of cinnamon or harissa to taste, and finish with lemon juice and chopped cilantro for brightness before serving. Save a few toasted cumin seeds as garnish and reserve some cooking liquid to thin if needed. Quick recommendation: if this cooking routine is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple recipes. On another note, these leak-proof meal prep containers make storing soup and sides effortless and prevent spills on the way to work. They stack neatly, seal tight, and save fridge space. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Simmer lentils gently for about 20 minutes until soft, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking and breakage. For a silky texture, puree half or all the soup with an immersion blender, or leave it chunky for rustic bite. Adjust thickness with reserved cooking liquid and balance with salt, lemon, or harissa. Serve with crusty bread or rice, and garnish with yogurt, cilantro, and a drizzle of olive oil for warmth. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.